That moon is huge. I don't think I've ever seen the moon looking that big. But it could be just me, but it's huge. And it's so bright. Unbelievably bright. And I just noticed it while I was at my door, peeking through the trees, and I was like, wow, when have I ever seen it this bright? I don't think I've ever seen it this bright. And it's got this shine on it. I wish that the camera would see what my naked eyes can see. This is disturbing that we're in a day and age now, excuse me, where we're using digital cameras now. I really am seriously considering finding and buying an old-fashioned camera that takes old-fashioned film. And I gotta wonder if I'm being too eccentric thinking about things like that, but it's to the point where when we look at things sometimes that have supposedly been videotaped or what have you online, we're seeing a lot of AI slop and a lot of fake imagery, fake events. So I'm not sure that I'm happy with all the technology that we have right now, because some of it is very questionable now. Very questionable. So I'm the brutal truth lady. I'm the one who every day scans the news and looks at different videos, and I do articles on each subject that I happen to come across that is, I think, of interest and maybe might interest you. And tonight I've come to this point where every time I look online and see what's going on, there's nothing new, just an increase of what's going on, just things steadily getting worse and worse in a predictable direction. I think the most important thing we need to consider right now is how far we're willing to go in all the things that we are doing. These are just random thoughts, my friends. Random thoughts.